Now then, several impressions from the incredible Peaky Blinders series. Please drop a like on the video and enjoy.
I promised my friend, Freddie Thorne, I'd say a few words over his grave if he passed before me. I made this promise before he became my brother-in-law. When we were in France, fighting for the king. In the end, it wasn't the war that took Freddie. Pestilence took him. But he lived long enough to pass on his soul and his spirit to a new generation before he was cruelly taken.
Mr. Shelby, let me make one thing quite clear to you. Your life is in my hands. Mr. Churchill, permission to be frank. This man was destined for the gallows from the day he was born.
Morning, Mr. Solomons.
Yeah, he's a good morning. Fuck off, Tommy. You come here to my bakery. We bake all sorts. We bake the white bread. We bake the brown bread. You want to try some? Right. Try some.
All right. I'll try the brown. Not bad.
Not bad. Fuck off, Tommy. Brown stuff's for the workers.
I took the liberty to get an invitation to Abraham Gold.
No wager today, but with this penny I will buy a flower to put upon your grave for when the time comes. Mr. Shelby, don't fight in the north of Birmingham. Don't fight in the south of Birmingham. Fight every battle, everywhere, all around Birmingham.
No, Tommy, they're heathens. They steal from their own. This is a life. This is a life, Tommy.
You are an unlikely Cassius. You know, my mother, your mother, taught her how to read. She said that Polly Gray, that child, will never let go of a grievance. And she loves to dance. What do you say? Wanna dance? Yeah. That's a shame. 'Cause you're dancing with me.
It's the Artiida, all the way from America. Make sure you get it in the head. That's where the trouble is. This place is under new management. By order of the cheeky Blanders.
Fuck you there. Are you serious?
Arthur,
Sorry.
is that what you thought we were called this whole time?
Oh yeah, 'cause we blind people, and we're cheeky little chappy. Nah, Tommy. Nah, it was just a joke. Just a funny joke.
You're a fucking idiot, Arthur.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, a share, and a subscribe. And I'll see you next time.